Go side to side a couple of times and then open. And the other arm on top. Come back to center and release those arms, rounding towards the back. And again, up, up, up. Hand is by the foot, push against that knee and up to the ceiling, to the opposite side of the room. And stretch up. So same arm, same leg. Then windmill the other arm to the center, bend the other leg, and you're stretching up and back. Deep breath in. Now come down again. Push yourself back into child's pose. Now push that knee up to the ceiling. This is an amazing stretch for your shoulder behind. Up. Really nice and tall. Push your shoulders away from your ears and reach. And then interlace again at the bottom and lean forward. And here's Yoda gracing us with his presence. You are such a good boy. Are you not the best boy? Are you not the best boy? You're so...